Good morning, students. Myself, Mrs. Sapna Gautam, science teacher, Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir, Fazilka. Students, I have explained chapter 10, reaching the age of adolescence, in previous video, and today we will discuss next topics of this chapter. First of all, we will discuss Adam's apple. What is Adam's apple? What do you mean by Adam apple का क्या मतलब होता है? मैंने ये पहले भी आपको पिछली वीडियो में बताया था कि जैसे हमने वी हैव टॉक अबाउट वॉइस बॉक्स और लैरिंग्स. वॉइस बॉक्स ऑल्सो नोन एज लैरिंग्स. वॉइस बॉक्स बॉयज़ में लार्जर होता है कंपैरेटिवली गर्ल्स, लार्जर देन गर्ल्स. सो इन बॉयज़ वॉइस बॉक्स और लैरिंग्स कैन बी विजिबल. प्रोट्रूडिंग पार्ट कैन बी विजिबल फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड. लाइक प्रोट्रूडिंग पार्ट, उभरा हुआ पार्ट दिखाई देता है हमें. दैट इज नॉन एज एडम्स एप्पल. एंड इन द केस ऑफ गर्ल्स वी कैन से देयर इज स्मॉलर. In the case of girls there is smaller voice box, so it cannot be visible from the outside of neck. And in the boys this appears as protruding part from the neck, from the outside of the neck. So this is known as Adam's apple due to the larger voice box. And sometime the muscles go out of control in the case of boys and voice may be harsh. क्या हो जाती है, आवाज़ बहुत ज़्यादा उनकी फटने लग जाती है. and after some time it will be in the common form. वैसे ही common form में हो जाती है. boys have deep voice and girls have pitched voice. Small pitched voice means to say गर्ल्स की आवाज़ थोड़ी बारीक होती है और बॉयज़ की गहरी आवाज़ होती है ड्यू टू द साइज ऑफ लार्जर वॉइस बॉक्स. इन द केस ऑफ एडम्स एप्पल देयर इज passage of when air enters in the voice box, then muscles will contract or relax. Muscles will contract or relax in the case of windpipe. This is windpipe. Muscles, when wind passing through the windpipe, then muscles contract and relaxes, then it produce sound from the voice box. Okay, so this is known as Adam's apple. And many changes I have explained in previous video. At puberty, many changes occurred at puberty. I have explained to you, like voice change, increase in height, and increase activity of sebaceous and sweat glands, and voice change. Okay, and sex organs develop in male and female, boys and girls also at the puberty. So in the adolescence period there are many changes occur in the body on the onset of puberty. And when reproductive maturity ends, then puberty ends. जब reproductive maturity हो जाती है तो puberty का end हो जाता है. Then they are capable of reproducing. So next is secondary sexual characters. Secondary sexual characters means कि sexual characters ऐसे characters, ऐसे features which help to distinguish the male from female. The features which help us to distinguish male from female known as secondary sexual characters. The features that help to distinguish male from female known as secondary sexual characters. But these characters, like, first of all, I give you example, like facial hair grow in the boys में facial hair grows, like in the boys there is mustaches or beard appear on their faces, and in the case of female, underarms, pubic region, there is growth of hair appears. And in the boys also hair appear on their chest पर hair appear होते हैं, facial hair appear होते हैं in the case of boys male, and in the case of female there is hair grow underarms both male and female, and also pubic region इनमें हेयर दिखाई देती है. ओके, सो ये फीचर्स जो मेल को फीमेल से अलग करते हैं, यानी बॉयज़ में फेशियल हेयर की ग्रोथ होती है दैट इज़ नॉट अपीयर ऑन द फीमेल फेस. सो दीज फीचर्स कैन डिस्टिंग्विश easily male from female, so known as secondary sexual characters. And these characters are under control of hormones. So this term is new for you कि what is hormones. Hormones क्या होते हैं? Hormones are chemical substances Hormones are chemical substances that secreted by endocrine glands. Here question arises, what is endocrine gland? So there are two types of glands mainly in the body. Two types of glands are there, exocrine and endocrine. Exocrine and endocrine glands are there in our body. Exo means outside. Exocrine glands होती हैं that have ducts जिनमें होती हैं उन्हें एक्सोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स बोलते हैं. एंड दीज आर एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स आर ductless glands means to say they do not have duct and they have ducts. So ग्लैंड्स का मेन काम क्या है? हॉर्मोन्स को सिक्रीट करना. हॉर्मोन्स क्या है? केमिकल सब्सटेंसेस दैट सिक्रीटेड बाय glands and responsible for the growth of our body. These are responsible for all changes occurs at puberty in the adolescence period. All changes whether in male or female that are responsible for that are occurred by hormones. All changes occurred by hormones. So exocrine glands like sweat glands, for example, sweat glands, salivary glands, and sebaceous glands. We can say these glands are known as exocrine glands, and these are ducts, and when they secrete hormones, then they secrete saliva, sweat gland secretes sweat, and these glands secrete oil through the skin, through the pores. They come from the skin outside of our body, and this is known as endocrine, means to say ductless gland. They don't have duct. So कहाँ पर हॉर्मोन्स जाते हैं? When secretion occurs, then they go into the blood stream. डायरेक्ट ब्लड स्ट्रीम में हॉर्मोन्स जाते हैं, एंड व्हेन दे गो इनटू द ब्लड स्ट्रीम, देन दे गो इनटू द टारगेट साइट. टारगेट साइट मीन्स टू से कि which part has to be grown, then these hormones go to that particular part of the body, that is known as target site, and that part will grow, okay, due to the hormones. So all changes occur in the body due to the hormones. So exocrine gland, endocrine glands and exocrine glands, I think आपको समझ आ गए होंगे. And if we go role of hormones in the body, तो hormones का क्या रोल है बॉडी में? तो ये जितने भी hormones हैं, if we talk about sex hormones, if we talk about sex hormones in the body, then male and female, male sex hormone that is secreted by testes, because testes क्या है? मेल organ, male reproductive organ, testes, and testes produce testosterone hormone, that is male hormone. Testosterone is male hormone, and female sex hormone secreted by ovaries, female reproductive organs that secrete estrogen, female sex hormone, and these all hormones are under the control of under the control of other hormone that is secreted by pituitary gland, that is known as master gland also. Pituitary gland growth hormone को secrete करती है, and that growth hormone stimulate the all hormones, okay, and all hormones initiate the main hormone that is secreted by pituitary gland that control the all hormones, sex hormones, testosterone and estrogen, and other hormones that are under the control of hormone secreted by pituitary gland. That is the main initiating role of hormones. So students, we can say व्हाट इज, हम कह सकते हैं कि मेन, दिस इज अ चैप्टर ऑफ योर्स, दिस इज चैप्टर डिपेंड्स अपॉन टू यू। ये चैप्टर आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, आपकी अपनी जो आपकी पूरी फिजिक है, जो आपकी बॉडी है, ये चैप्टर उसके ऊपर बेस्ड है। ओके, सो यू हैव टू रीड आउट, you have to learn all these terms, hormones, endocrine glands, exocrine glands, and also questions. I have sent you only 2 or 3 questions, so you have to learn and write down on your notebook. Thanks, have a nice day.